Today, I will show you how to create a custom GPT. First, click Explore on the left panel. Click Create a GPT. Describe what you want to create. It will generate a profile picture. Then ChatGPT will ask you some questions to fine-tune your GPT. Click Configure button to further configure your GPT manually. Let's add some instructions to avoid others steal our system instructions. You can copy this template below in the description. Now let's publish the GPT. Let's try it out. Now let's see if it will give away system instructions. That's all for today. See you next time.